So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good morning, good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 9 till the 15th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Queen of Wands in reverse. So, Scorpio, someone is feeling a lack of participation in the situation or lack of spark in the situation. There's some kind of this energy of lack from your side. No, like you are not that interested in the situation anymore, or you're not showing that much of love or that much of care in the situation anymore. So, there's a lack of participation from your side that this person is feeling. Okay, let me clarify the Queen of Wands in reverse. We have the Seven of Swords, the Nine of Wands, the Lovers. This person is feeling like you're cheating on them in some way. You're kind of putting your guards high, you're keeping your guards up or keeping your guards high because you are dealing with some other person, some other energy, and you're losing interest in them. So this person is definitely feeling like you're losing interest in them because you find something else or someone else to share your interest with. So you're kind of, I don't know you're doing it or not, but your person is feeling like you're doing something behind their back and you're not talking to them or you're not interested in them as you were at some point of time because you're dealing with something else or someone else. So yeah, that's why you're kind of not behaving this beautifully with them as you used to be. Okay, let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio. Ace of Swords. Okay. So from your side, you are being very logical, very clear, very clear cut understanding, clear cut mindset, and you know what you want, and you are kind of portraying that kind of clear cut energies towards a particular person or situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. Oh, you're in this energy of balancing your own life, getting your own shit together. You are waiting for the time when you will be able to get the clarity or give the clarity to this person with all of your heart and soul. You are in this energy of wanting something serious on the table, but might be you're not getting what you want from this particular person or situation. That is why you are kind of uh, in this energy of waiting for the right time to either tell them the truth or about whatever you want from the situation because you got the clarity, you got the understanding, or you are in this energy of with each passing day this person is going to get the clarity or get the answer or get the truth of the situation themselves, and you don't have to do anything about it because there's lack of balance in the situation and you're waiting for the time when there will be this energy of having a proper communication might be or equal give and take of energy so that you can bring the truth on the table. There's something going on though. There's deceptive kind of energies in the situation. There's something going on behind the scenes for either from your side or from their side, and you're waiting for the right time when you will be able to either know it from them or tell them about this truth, about this clarity, something like that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? Three of Swords. I think their intention is to fix the situation because it's too painful to deal with the situation right now. I think you're not that much invested in them as you used to be at some point of time, and it's breaking their heart in some way. Let's clarify the Three of Swords here. We have the Ten of Cups and the Moon card and the Eight of Swords. Yes, this person wants to get out of this what the hell is going on behind my back kind of a deal. They want to stop thinking negative about the situation. They want to come out of this painful imagination that they're living in. I think this person is living in this illusion or in this painful energy that you are with somebody else, you're doing something behind their back that's not good. They want to know the whole truth. I think this person wants to know the whole truth, and now they want to fix the situation between you and them, because now they are feeling like they are losing you for good this time. So this person is not liking the feeling of losing you. That is why this person feels like they should know each and everything about the situation between you and them and what's going on, and they want to fix it. They definitely want to fix it with you. Yeah, there's a lot of conflict going on inside of this person's heart and soul. And just give me a second. And they definitely want to fix it with you. Now let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? See, something is really wrong with the electricity here, so I'm just doing the reading in cold, hot, completely hot weather. Yeah, it's fine. So, High Priestess, you just want to keep your mouth shut and keep your energies and keep your feelings to yourself until unless you're 100% sure that you should say or do something about it. So you're listening to your intuition, and your intuition is kind of guiding you to this place of, okay, keep your mouth and energy shut till the time you feel like you are uh, sure you should do something about it. Okay, that's cool. Let's clarify the High Priestess. We have the Ace of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, the King of Swords. I think you have somebody new in your life. Somebody new or something new or someone new that you're working with, and you think like you should clear the air with the person that you're dealing with, regarding this new person, new situation you're dealing with, when the timing is going to be right. Because right now you yourself is not very sure or very much into that situation. It's just the start of something new. Again, for some of it could be work situation. It's not like literal romantic situation. For others of it could be a new person, new energy that entered in your life, and now you feel like more in tune with them and more in tune with that new energy. And you feel like you should keep it secret or keep it to yourself until unless the timing is right, or until unless you yourself is 100% sure that this is the right thing to do, right energy to do. You don't want to create any kind of drama or fuss or any kind of bullshit in the situation, or any kind of third party or toxicity. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of this situation. What can happen, what can come out till the 15th of September. We have the Eight of Swords. I do see this energy of not feeling trapped in a situation, trying your best not to not to think so much about something or someone, but can't stop thinking about it at the same time. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Page of Swords. You are going to be very much in stress about clearing the air within yourself, like what you should do. Should you go ahead with the new person, new energy, or new business idea, new work idea, whatever you're focused on, or should you just wait for the past person, past energy, or past thing to evolve or to give you something solid on the table? So you are going to be in this energy of feeling trapped in a situation where you want clarity, where you want answer, but the more you're trying to get it, the more you're getting in this energy of what should I do next, I don't know. So I don't know is going to be the outcome. It's like watching the situation from a distance there, and I'm trying to understand the truth, trying to understand what's going on, what you want, what you don't want, but not getting the answer clear cut. This is the outcome. A lot of confusion, emotional, mental, both, regarding the starting of a new chapter in your life. Maybe, for most of you, with a new person, new energy, and for others of you, giving somebody another shot. Okay, let's see the guidance here, Scorpio. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Chariot. So the guidance here is, right now stay focused on your individual growth and success and happiness, and manifest this energy of whatever is meant for you will stay, and whatever is not meant for you will go out of your life eventually, organically, naturally. So this is what you have to do right now. Focus on yourself, your money, job, career, your own happiness, and everything about you. And please surrender to the divine and manifest this energy of whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually or stick around eventually, and whatever is not meant for you or whatever is not good for you will should leave your energy slowly but surely, right? So this is how it is going to be. So at least for 1 week, practice this tactic, practice this technique, and then I think you will be able to understand what you want and what you don't want. So clarity is important. So staying with yourself and understanding your energies, your patterns, your feelings is most important factor in moving forward in your life, with or without this energy that you are focusing on. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.